Let's start with 2 gigabytes of VRAM, which is the smallest amount you'll commonly find on dedicated graphics cards today. Around 10 years ago, 2 gigabytes was perfectly acceptable for gaming because games used much smaller textures and far less detailed environments than they do now. Today, however, 2 gigabytes has become extremely limiting. Modern games simply require much more video memory to store textures, lighting information, shadows, and other graphical assets. Once a graphics card runs out of VRAM, it has to borrow your system's RAM, which is much slower. If you mainly play older games or lightweight esports titles like League of Legends, Valorant, Rocket League, or Minecraft without demanding shader packs, a 2 gigabyte graphics card can still provide a playable experience at lower settings. However, newer AAA games released over the last few years often require far more than 2 gigabytes. In many cases, you'll have to lower texture quality to the minimum, and some games may even display warnings that your graphics card doesn't have enough video memory. Overall, 2 gigabytes of VRAM is only recommended today for very basic gaming or office computers that occasionally run older titles. Stepping up to 4 gigabytes of VRAM makes a noticeable difference, although this amount is also beginning to show its age. For several years, 4 gigabytes was considered the standard for entry-level gaming graphics cards, and many popular GPUs were released with this amount of memory. With 4 gigabytes, competitive games like Fortnite, Counter-Strike 2, Overwatch 2, Rainbow Six Siege, and Apex Legends generally run very well at 1080p using medium or high settings. The biggest challenge appears when you start playing modern AAA games. Many newer titles recommend at least 6 gigabytes or even 8 gigabytes of VRAM for their higher quality textures. Because of this, you'll often need to lower texture settings to medium or low in order to avoid performance issues. Although 4 gigabytes can still provide a solid experience for esports players, it isn't the most future-proof option anymore. If you're buying a graphics card today and plan to keep it for several years, you'll probably want something with more memory. Now we reach 6 gigabytes of VRAM, which many people still consider the minimum comfortable amount for modern gaming. Graphics cards like the RTX 2060 and the RTX 3050 helped make this VRAM size extremely popular among budget gamers. At 1080p resolution, 6 gigabytes allows you to enjoy most modern games using medium to high graphics settings without constantly worrying about running out of video memory. Games such as Cyberpunk 2077, Resident Evil 4 Remake, Forza Horizon 5, Elden Ring, and Hogwarts Legacy become much more enjoyable because the graphics card has enough room to store higher quality textures. You may still need to lower some settings in particularly demanding games, especially if you're using ray tracing, but the overall experience is much smoother. For someone building an affordable gaming PC today, 6 gigabytes is still a respectable starting point. Next up is 8 gigabytes of VRAM, which is currently one of the most common memory sizes found on modern gaming graphics cards. Many popular GPUs, including the RTX 4060, RTX 3070, RX 6600 XT, and RX 7600, all come equipped with around 8 gigabytes of video memory. For most gamers playing at 1080p, 8 gigabytes is an excellent choice. It provides enough memory to run the vast majority of modern games using high settings while maintaining smooth performance. Where things become more challenging is at 1440p resolution or when using ultra quality texture packs. Some of today's newest games consume significantly more VRAM than older titles, meaning an 8 gigabyte graphics card can occasionally run into memory limitations, despite having enough raw GPU power. This is why you've probably seen so many discussions online asking whether 8 gigabytes is still enough in 2026. The answer really depends on how you play. For 1080p gaming, it's still an excellent. Moving up to 12 gigabytes of VRAM provides a much more comfortable experience, especially for gamers who enjoy playing newer AAA titles at higher resolutions. Graphics cards like the RTX 3060 12 gigabytes, RTX 4070, and RX 7700 XT have made this memory size increasingly popular. With 12 gigabytes available, most games at 1440p can be played using high or ultra texture settings without constantly worrying about without running out of video memory. The additional VRAM also provides better longevity. As game developers continue creating larger worlds and more detailed textures, having extra memory helps your graphics card remain capable for a much longer period. Beyond gaming, 12 gigabytes also becomes useful for creative workloads. Video editing, Blender rendering, Unreal Engine projects, and AI image generation can all benefit from having additional video memory available. For many people building a mid-range or high-end gaming PC today, 12 gigabytes offers one of the best balances between performance, longevity, and value. At 16 gigabytes of VRAM, memory limitations become much less of a concern. Graphics cards such as the RX 7800 XT, RTX 5060 Ti, i16 gigabytes, RTX 5070 Ti, and several professional GPUs all offer this amount of memory. For gaming, 16 gigabytes provides an outstanding experience at both 1440p and even 4K resolutions. You can usually enable ultra-quality textures, ray tracing, and other demanding graphical features without worrying about exhausting your available VRAM. The biggest advantage isn't necessarily gaining more frames per second. Instead, it's avoiding the stuttering, texture pop-in, and loading delays that often occur when a graphics card runs out of memory. Outside of gaming, 16 gigabytes is also fantastic for content creators. Large 4K video editing projects, complex Blender scenes, Unreal Engine development, AI workloads, and professional design software all benefit from having additional video memory. Finally, we reach 24 gigabytes of VRAM and beyond, which is where flagship graphics cards and professional workstation GPUs begin. Graphics cards like the RTX 4090, RTX 5090, and various workstation models offer enormous amounts of video memory because they're designed to handle far more than just gaming. For gaming alone, 24 gigabytes is honestly more than most people will ever need. Even at 4K resolution, with ultra settings and ray tracing enabled, very few games today are capable of using the entire 24 gigabytes available. Instead, this much VRAM is primarily intended for professional workloads, developers training AI models, artists creating massive 3D environments, engineers working with complex CAD projects, and video editors producing high-resolution 8K footage can all consume enormous amounts of video memory during their work. Having 24 gigabytes or even more allows these professionals to work with much larger projects without constantly running into memory limitations. Instead of simplifying scenes or lowering quality, they can keep everything loaded directly on the graphics card, which significantly improves workflow and performance. One thing to remember is that more VRAM doesn't automatically mean a graphics card is faster. A newer GPU with 8 gigabytes of VRAM can easily outperform an older GPU with 12 gigabytes because the GPU chip itself is much more powerful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to watch some of my other videos.